Back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. So if you have these type of questions, so don't worry, you are on the right channel. But don't forget to subscribe the channel and share and like the video. What is required to speak in English is just one thing, it's vocabulary. And this is the book which I'm going through for you only so that you can learn vocabulary as well without reading a book. I'm helping you every day in my every video so that you can improve your spoken English, because you need only two things, your confidence and vocabulary, because you need knowledge and vocabulary is a knowledge. If you have the knowledge of the word, so you can speak more and more in English. So one thing, the knowledge about vocabulary so that you can speak English confidently and fluently. But other than, you can do other things like reading newspaper, which is also going to helpful for improving your confidence as well as your fluency, because when you will read the words, when you will read the sentence, you should read little bit loud. And as we all understand that what we listen we follow, so listening English media is always best. If you really want to speak in English, so start listening, because when you speak, so you are repeating what you know, but when you listen, so you are learning new things. So listening is always better. Listen English media so that you can improve your spoken English as well. So let's back to the today's topic, how to spell a word. The spelling of English word is archaic. It is confusing, it is needless, complicated, and if you have a sense of humor, it is downright comical. In fact, any insulting epithet you might wish to level against our weird methods of putting letters together to form words would probably be justified, but it is our spelling and we are stuck with it. Many years ago, the Irish playwright George Bernard Shaw offered a dramatic proposal for reducing England's taxes. Just eliminate unnecessary letters from our unwieldy spelling. He said, so this is the story I'm telling for you. He said, and initiate unnecessary letters from our unwildly spelling. He said, and you will save enough money in paper and printing to cut everyone's tax rate in half. So, back to the topic again. Correct spelling. All right. What is the all right? Two words, no matter what it means. Keep in mind that it is the opposite of all wrong. Coolie, it is not coolie, which you will find the persons, those who helps you on the railway stations. So this is coolie. Of course you can spell cool, simply add the adverbial ending lie. So lie is a adverbial ending basically, so which is used over here. Coolly. Supersede supersede listen carefully. This is the only word in the language ending in the seed. Only word in the language which is basically ending in the seed. The only one, mind you, there is not a single other one so spelled. Succeed, the only three words in the entire language ending in the seed. When you think of the three words in the order given here, the initial letters from the beginning of the speed: succeed, proceed, and exceed. So these are only the three letters in the dictionary which has a ending with the seed. Okay. Again, seed, precede, recede, etc. All other words with a similar sounding final syllable and in seed, one of the double es of the proceed. Okay. Stationary. Listen carefully. This is the word that means paper, and notice the ear in the paper. Okay. Stationary. In the spelling, the words mean standing, and notice the A in the stand. Recommend. Comment, which we all spell correctly plus the prefix. Separate. Look for a rat in both words. Comparative. Paralyze. The only two non-technical words in the whole language ending in the YSC. Repetition. First four letters identical with those in the allied form repeat. Irritable. Think of the allied forms irritate and imitate. Absence. Think of the allied form absent and you will not be tempted to misspell it absence. Superintendent. A superintendent manages a department, thus you avoid the superintendent. Conscience. Science plus prefix. Okay. Annoyed, think of an ointment, hence no double N. Next, ridiculous, think of the allied from ridicule, which we usually spell correctly, thus avoiding ridiculous. Okay. Despair, again think of another form, desperate, and so avoid despair. So despair, people use sometime despair. So this is the matter of spelling and this is the matter of pronunciation. If you pronounce the words well, so people will understand easily. But if you will make the problems while pronouncing the words, and if you are facing the problem, so start reading newspaper. Yes, newspaper is a very good thing. If you read the newspaper, English newspaper every day, look at here, I have the Times of India. This is the yesterday Times of India and I read every day Times of India. I like the newspaper because it really helps me a lot to improve my confidence as well as my fluency, because when I read the words little bit louder, so I can correct myself as well. So you can also help yourself, because only the one person who can help yourself is only you. You have to prove yourself. Suppose if you want to do 100 push-up in a one day, it is not possible. But if you start with the 50, then 75, then 100, you can go until 1000. So it is a process, it is a consistency. If you will follow the process, learning process, so you will definitely improve one day. It is not an rocket science. English is the most easiest language in the world. That is why it has become a global language. And again, I would like to tell you, English can open a new opportunity for you. Even you want to go for a study for abroad, or you want to get a job in corporate sector or in the MNC companies. So I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.